Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best set screw is probably one of the most versatile and essential components in mechanical engineering, often overlooked but critical for securing rotating parts like gears, pulleys, and collars to shafts, ensuring precise alignment and preventing slippage under load, making it an indispensable fastener in everything from industrial machinery to everyday appliances. And its simple yet effective design allows for reliable performance in a wide range of applications where maintaining a fixed position is paramount. Number 5. Jackson Palmer 2251-piece hardware assortment kit. This comprehensive kit offers an impressive 2,251 pieces across 62 different hardware sizes. You'll find a wide variety of screws, bolts, nuts, and washers to tackle any job. It includes 19 sizes and 665 pieces of wood and sheet metal screws. These are designed with a 6-nib plus type 17 point for heat-treated durability. You get 22 sizes and 720 pieces of SAE bolts, nuts, and washers. Additionally, there are 21 sizes and 865 pieces of metric bolts, nuts, and washers. Designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, these components are built to last. They are perfect for household maintenance, repairs, and countless other projects. The interlocking lid ensures that your hardware stays organized and doesn't mix. Removable dividers allow for customizable organization within the trays. These durable cases are stackable and feature locking tabs for easy carrying and transport. You can even add empty bins to expand your collection as needed. What we like. If you're tackling a large DIY project or need a comprehensive collection for general household repairs, this kit is your go-to. It offers an incredible number of pieces across many sizes, ensuring you'll likely have exactly what you need. The no-mix compartments and stackable cases make organization a breeze, perfect for those who value efficiency and preparedness. What people say. The kit includes 2,200 pieces across 62 sizes, covering everything from wood and sheet metal screws to SAE and metric bolts, nuts, and washers. The 3 interlocking trays kept everything neatly sorted, making it easy to find the right part without sifting through a jumble. The quality was impressive too. The grade 2 nuts and bolts, along with the heat-treated screws, felt sturdy and reliable. This comprehensive assortment is incredibly well organized, with each piece neatly stored in a sturdy, compartmentalized case. The variety of screws, nuts, bolts, and washers included in this kit is impressive, covering almost any hardware need you might encounter in DIY projects or household repairs. Number 4. 340 PCS metric hex socket head set screws assortment kit. Introducing a comprehensive assortment of metric set screws, featuring a cup point design for superior grip and vibration resistance. These screws are engineered with clean edges and no sharp points for safe and effective use. Crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel, these fasteners offer excellent strength and corrosion resistance, ensuring reliable performance even in challenging environments. This kit includes 340 pieces in 14 different sizes, ranging from M2.5 to M8, providing a solution for nearly any project requirement. Ideal for a wide array of applications, including door handles, faucets, knobs, and various precision machinery. They are perfect for repairs in your shop, garage, or home. All screws are neatly organized in a transparent storage box for easy access and portability. The kit also includes 6 hex wrenches for immediate use. What we like. For applications requiring excellent corrosion resistance and a secure grip that prevents loosening, this set is ideal. The cup point design digs into surfaces, offering superior vibration resistance. If you're working on precision machinery, electronics, or need reliable fasteners for plumbing and small repairs, its stainless steel construction and included wrenches make it a practical choice. What people say. The set screw is made of durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity and resistance to corrosion. Its knurled head provides excellent grip, making it easy to tighten and loosen even in tight spaces. The precise threading allows for a secure and stable fit, preventing slippage during operation. Number 3. Keadic 450 PCS internal hex drive cup point screw assortment kit. You will receive a comprehensive set of 450 high-strength alloy steel internal hex drive cup point set screws. They are conveniently organized in a durable plastic case with individual bags for each size, ensuring no mixing. Crafted from 12.9 class alloy steel, these screws offer exceptional hardness and corrosion resistance for long-lasting durability. Their deep, uniform threads ensure a secure grip without slipping during use. This assortment includes 15 popular metric sizes, from M3 to M8, with a total of 450 pieces. You're sure to find the perfect size for any of your projects. This kit provides nearly all the metric sizes you'll need in ample quantities and high quality. It's an excellent solution for replacing lost or broken set screws, ensuring a smooth user experience. These versatile screws are ideal for a wide range of applications. Use them for door handles, faucets, light fixtures, knobs, and various repairs in your shop, garage, or home. What we like. When durability and a strong hold are paramount, this kit stands out. Made from high-hardness 12.9 class alloy steel with sharp, even threads, these screws offer exceptional performance and longevity. If you're involved in armament repair, demanding mechanical applications, or need robust fasteners for frequent use, their superior material strength ensures reliability. What people say. Great set of stainless set screws, very happy with the quality. The parts in this kit are as described and will work well if your repair requires a metric set screw. Nice kit, quality seems good, used 4 of the M8s on a general assembly tool, fit and torqued up as expected. Number 2. Kadrick Metric Screw Assortment Kit. Introducing the Kadrick Metric Screw Assortment Kit, a comprehensive collection of M2, M3, M4, and M5 machine screws. This kit includes both lock and flat washers for your convenience. Crafted from grade 10.9 alloy steel, these screws offer exceptional strength and durability. The precise threading ensures a secure and reliable fit for all your projects. Find the perfect size for any task with a wide range of lengths available for each screw type. All components adhere to the standard metric system for easy compatibility. Everything is neatly organized in a sturdy, easy-to-use plastic storage box. This ensures quick access and keeps your workspace tidy. Keep this essential set on hand for a multitude of applications. It's designed to provide convenience and reliability whenever you need it. Kadrick specializes in high-quality fasteners, rigorously tested for your confidence. Enjoy peace of mind with our 24-month after-sales warranty service. What we like. This assortment is perfect for those who need a precise selection of common metric machine screws along with essential washers. The grade 10.9 alloy steel ensures high strength and accurate threading for consistent performance. If you're assembling electronics, working on models, or require a reliable set for various machinery where precise fit and secure fastening are key, this kit provides convenience and quality. What people say. The screws are really well made and the storage box they came in has a two-sided map, so I can find whichever size I need at a glance. This kit includes a wide range of bolt sizes, M2, M3, M4, M5, making it versatile for various projects, from DIY tasks to professional applications. Having multiple sizes readily available is incredibly convenient. The screws are made from high-quality materials that feel sturdy and reliable. They have a nice finish, and I haven't experienced any rust or corrosion so far. Number 1. Glarks M3 M8 Hex Socket Set Screw Assortment Kit. Introducing the Glarks 200-piece M3 M8 Hex Socket Set Screw Assortment Kit. This high-quality stainless steel kit is perfect for a wide range of applications. Crafted from 100% brand new, high-quality 304 stainless steel, these screws are built to last. They offer excellent corrosion resistance for long-term use. This kit includes a variety of M3, M4, M5, M6, and M8 hex Allen head socket set screws. You'll have the right size for almost any project. All 200 pieces come neatly organized in a durable plastic box with dividers. The secure locking mechanism ensures they stay clean and won't spill. These versatile screws are ideal for industrial, household, and office environments. They are suitable for machinery, appliances, and marine assemblies. Designed for convenience, they are easy to use and store. The organized case makes finding the right screw a breeze. What we like. For users who need a focused selection of essential metric set screws in a high-quality material, this kit is a great option. The 304 stainless steel construction offers good corrosion resistance for various environments. If you're performing industrial installations, household appliance repairs, or need a reliable set for marine assemblies and general mechanical tasks without an overwhelming quantity, its manageable size and durable material are advantageous. What people say. If you work on small equipment, it's important to have the right parts, good length to size ratios. Te serven para cualquier tipo de amplificadores vienes muy bien surtido lo recomiendo. He utilizado estos prisioneros y no tengo quejas. La terminación y el material de los mismos es adecuado. Por el momento no presentan señales de oxido, están a la intemperie, y creo que no la tendrán. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.